So after nearly 2 years of building this thing, I'm ready for a camping trip. I got the van MOT today and it passed, got it taxed, got it insured, so I don't know where I'm going to go. Probably end up in Filey, I think. Stay there for the night. I haven't broken my back yet. And finally, let's find this campsite. Right, let's see. Yeah. Come on you, I know you're going to be anxious. So I'm having fajitas tonight for my first campervan meal. It's probably going to be my first meal I've made in around about 6 years. I'm not a cook. Now the reason why I've come to Farley is to do a crib sheet. That's why I come to a campsite, just in case I needed hookup power. I shouldn't do, because I've tested out all electrics on the van, on the driveway. The thing I haven't tested out is the gas. I've only managed to fill the gas tank up today. So it's a 30 litre underslung gas tank, and this is pretty much the first time I've used it. All the rings on the hob are working. Hot water, I think that's working. It's gone green anyway. Fridge, I think that's working. Does seem to be getting cooler. Grill's working. Oven isn't. So that's something else I'm going to have to look into. Oh, looking forward to this. Right, I shall catch you all in the morning. You can't have any. No, you've had your tea. No, it's mine. I've only had a Rice Krispie square today. No. I suppose the first job is to take the dog out for a walk. Sunrise. Go on, Luke. Take you out the front. Door's a bit quieter. Arling Sailing Club. We're going on to the beach, Luke. Yeah, take it fully. Come here. Luke, come here. Luke, come here. Come here. Luke, Luke. Luke. Oh, another dog that doesn't want to be off his lead. Didn't do much last night. Checked if my gas was working. That's the main reason why I came out really to a campsite. Go on, Luke. Because obviously it's the first time I've actually filled up the refillable underslung tank. It's a 30 litre underslung tank. I think the fridge is working. Hot water's definitely working. Hob's working. The grill's working. For some reason the oven isn't. You're not going for a poo, are you? Oh, give me a second. And for some reason the oven isn't working, so I'll have to have a look at that. As soon as I got the MOT done, I was straight on the road. But before that, I had a bit of a dilemma. Dickhead here had sent the V5 vehicle documentation off. I have gone through the process of changing it from a panel van to motor caravan. Now I know it's going to come back as a van with windows. I didn't think about this because I needed to road tax the car, and I needed the V5 number on the front page, and it was the front page I had to send back to the DVLA. Luckily, when I was at the MOT station, I had my printer on board and managed to print off the V62 form. What I had to do is drive from the MOT station to Asda without road tax. Of course, as soon as I came out of the MOT station, coppers, end of the road. You know, the past, I did the natural thing, followed them. It was only a mile down the road, got to Asda, managed to get it road taxed in Asda at the post office there. Paid over the extra 25 quid for the privilege of not having the V5 form. So if you are going to convert a van into a camper van, get your MOT done first, then send your V5 off, or you're going to end up paying an extra 25 quid. This is a steep hill. Oh dear. It's like tides in. So this is Filey Brigg. I'm currently camping at the Filey Brigg Country Park. There's Filey, just over there, Flamberade, and that's Filey Brigg. Like a spit of land that juts out into the North Sea. Hello. Hey, where are you off to, eh? Come on. Let's climb this steep hill. Right. This is Farley Bay. I should be able to get across there. Times the tide come in. Must be in now. So I'll have a walk into Farley. So obviously I've now got the MOT tax done and insurance with Together Insurance, very easy. No, it was relatively painless. I did go through all the modifications on the van. Wasn't particularly interested as far as it was aware. It's a camper van. They also wanted a photograph of my driver's license, you know, the card one, the photo ID one. They wanted the front and rear photograph of that. Share my driver's code and vehicle mileage declaration form. How many miles the van has done due to my 3,000 miles a year allowance. I can change that. I'll probably end up changing it to about 5,000 feet. So see how we go this year. So this is Farley Promenade. Unfortunately, the tide is in. Hello. So if you're ever in Farley and you want to come to a restaurant or a place to eat, I'd definitely recommend this place, Downcliffe House. I'm thinking of my stomach again there. You ready to turn back? Get some breakfast? I can kill a coffee. Elevated view of Farley, or Farley Bay. Go on, Lou. Go on, go up to use these stairs. You can't climb the side of the cliff. Reminds me a little bit like Brighton, with its Victorian, Edwardian architecture. Along here is some like a crescent of houses facing the sea.
Put a bit of lipstick on it for the dog.
One of the dog. That's fairly light boat. We'll go back. Hey, shall we go back for breakfast? Whew. Come on, Liv. Let's get some breakfast. Find my keys. I'm not going to have my breakfast here. It's 10 to 10, I want to get off really. I'm going to meet Spunky at Fraisthorpe Beach to do a van tour video, weather permitting. I'll have my breakfast with him this morning. First I want to get rid of the rubbish bin here, and get this GoPro on charge. It's almost flat, so I won't be filming any of the journey until we get to Fraisthorpe, I don't think. See you there. I was going to do a van tour video. It's so wet, so windy and bleak. I was hoping to get the drone out. I don't think it's going to happen today. So what we'll probably do is have some breakfast, wait it out for a while, see if the weather improves. If not, unfortunately we'll have to abandon it.
And where's he going to park? That's the question. Who's going there? Hey!
We come down to Fraisthorpe to meet Spunky. Watching Gadget John. Just going to make some breakfast. Even though, what time is it? About 12, is it?
Good question, hold on. The trusty firm says, yeah, 20 past 12.
There you go. Brunch then.
Brunch.
There you go, full English. So it's a bit of an abortion, mate, but there you go.
Steady.
First time breakfast in the van.
Yeah, and it's a cock on.
This is where we are. Parked up Fraisthorpe Beach. Spunky's with me there. He's fine. Fine. But I think it's a bit too windy. Not a great day for doing a van tour video, so we'll do it another day. We'll come back down here another day, I think. Jesus. Right. Can't see a bloody thing. Oh, missed it up again. The bloody dog. It's missed off. See you in a bit.
Hey? Yeah, you're alright, bud?
Yeah, you fancy a quick pint in a pub?
Okay.
Yeah, think of any pubs we can park up in?
I can't think of any around this is it Tiger is the main seafood or whatever?
Yeah, whether that'll be open or not.
Oh yeah, I don't know, it's been years since I've had to think about pubs.
Right, let me think.
I was back towards Brigg way, innit, I suppose, unless there's a local one round here we come across.
Yeah, see what I'll come across.
Okay, mate, thanks.
If you see me pull into a pub, you know why.
No, right, I'm just following you like a trailer.
Alright, bud, right, see me.
Right, see you in a minute, bud.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
Let's go to the pub, see it's all wet weather. Lou, come here. Lou.